Ever wondered how to grow culinary mushrooms at home? Let's dive into the world of home cultivation. Enjoy the freshness of homegrown mushrooms, save money, and experience the delight of nurturing your own food. Growing mushrooms at home is easier than you think. Firstly, gather the necessary materials. You'll need mushroom spores or spawn, a growth medium such as straw or compost. Don't forget a container or growing bag and a suitable environment for your fungi friends. With these materials at hand, you're ready to start cultivating your own mushrooms. Now let's dive into the process. Cultivating culinary mushrooms at home begins with preparing the growing medium. This could be a mixture of straw, wood chips, or even coffee grounds, depending on the type of mushroom you're growing. Next, we inoculate this medium with the mushroom spawn, which is essentially the mushroom's seed. This spawn is then spread throughout the growing medium, starting the process of mushroom growth. Maintaining the right conditions is paramount. Mushrooms thrive in a humid, dark environment with a stable temperature. Regular misting can help maintain the necessary humidity, and a simple plastic covering can provide the darkness required. Finally, after all this preparation and care, comes the reward: harvesting your homegrown mushrooms. This usually happens a few weeks after inoculation, when the mushrooms have fully matured. Patience is crucial in this process, as it may take a few weeks for your mushrooms to fully grow. Cultivating mushrooms at home is a rewarding experience. It's a simple process that yields delicious results while adding an eco-friendly touch to your lifestyle. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.